मैं हूँ श्रेया दुबे और मेरे साथ है पारुल गुलाटी जो बहुत जल्द दिखने वाली है हम एक वेब सीरीज़ में। तो चलिए जानते हैं उस वेब सीरीज़ के बारे में।
Hi Shreya, thank you so much. So I'm doing this new web show. It's called Hey Prabhu. It is for MX Play. It is directed by Shashanka Ghosh, director of Veerati Wedding, and we've also got Rajat Barmecha with us. We have Achint Kaur in it. Me and Achint have worked together before, so it is a great collaboration. Again, we are working together. This web series is about. It is for today's generation. It is about how digital world affects us and how we get so much involved when it comes to. So Rajat's character is playing a Twitter hotshot, and I cannot reveal a lot about this web show at this moment, but it is something that will connect instantly with teenagers, this generation. And my character is of this girl who's a perfectionist. She looks for perfection in everything. She is a bit uptight, very, very finicky about how she likes her things to be, and very professional.
सो क्या डिफरेंट है शो में? लाइक पहले भी आप सीरियल्स कर चुकी हैं, वेब सीरीज़ कर चुके हैं, तो क्या डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर है? लाइक पहले आप एक जर्नलिस्ट प्ले कर चुके हैं, तो इसमें क्या इतना डिफरेंट और कितना काम करना पड़ा आपको?
So Huxley was very different in a way because we were talking about a very big issue. We were discussing Kashmir and story of those sisters, four sisters, and the situation we were living in. It was a family drama, and this one is completely different. Hey Prabhu is, it's comedy. This is comedy. This is not a very serious subject. It's very light-hearted comedy, and my character is very different. She's today's girl, but she's also very, very casual. Not like Jannat Mirza at all. Jannat Mirza was very, very serious types, and she was dealing with a very serious matter.
सो लाइक कॉमेडी के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे, कॉमेडी के लिए कितनी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ी? लाइक पहले आप कॉमेडी नहीं किया है आपने मेरे हिसाब से।
So the subject is comedy, but I'm not doing any comedy. I'm being Arunima. My character's name is Arunima, so I'm just being Arunima. And comedy is around, so it's situational comedy. We are not trying to do comedy in this.
ओके, सो लाइक और जानना चाहेंगे कब से आ रही है आपकी वेब सीरीज? लाइक कोई डेट बाहर आई है इस वेब सीरीज?
It's going to come out soon. That's all I can say on MX Play. It's by Times of India, so that's all.
तो जैसा कि आपने कहा कि डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म से पब्लिक बहुत अफेक्ट कर रही है, सो आपके अकॉर्डिंग आप कितना अफेक्ट हो रही हैं डिजिटल मीडिया से?
Digital media affects our day-to-day's life. We all wake up and check our Instagram. The first thing, I don't know who doesn't, I do. And I know it's not a good thing to do. But I think it's affecting all of us. We get to know, but also it's such a good thing. We get to know कि कहाँ क्या हो रहा है. And if these movements are, affecting us, we are getting to know about what's happening in and around us. We are taking a charge, So I think it's a great thing we have digital medium all around us, and everyone has internet now.
सो लाइक आपने कहा है कि मतलब परफेक्शनिस्ट का आप किरदार निभा रही हैं, तो पर्सनल लाइफ में आप है वैसी या आप लेट गो करती हैं चीज़ों को?
See, I do expect, if I've given my all, I do expect कि चीज़ें perfect हों, पर कभी कभी नहीं होती, तो I don't fret so much. I think same way अरुणिमा भी इतनी fret नहीं होती है कि अच्छा अगर चीज़ें नहीं, they did not turn out the way she expected it to be. But I would say, but Arunima is more professional. She talks work. She only talks work. So that's where I think we are a little different.
ओके, सो लाइक पर्सनल लाइफ में आप बहुत स्टाइलिस्ट हैं, तो लाइक हमें स्क्रीन पे आप इतनी स्टाइलिश नज़र आएंगी या थोड़ी?
In this one, not so much, as she is only about work. She goes to her office, does her work, but she has blue hair. Can I speak about it? But anyway, so that's one very cool thing about her. She has blue hair, and those are niche hair. But so that way she is, because she is always proving that she is not this serious, so she wants people to take her कि मैं थोड़ी सी cool हूँ. I think that's why she has this little streak about her. So yeah.
तो और भी कोई ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट है जिस पे आप काम कर रही हो, या सिर्फ एक यही प्रोजेक्ट है जिसमें आप हमें दिखेंगे?
I am working on quite a few projects, और सब में characters थोड़े बहुत different हैं जो बाकी मैंने characters किए. Yes, you'll get to see me थोड़ा सा stylized in something which we'll speak about soon.
ओके, सो लाइक बेसिकली और मैं जानना चाहूँगी कि लाइक आप इतनी बिजी रहती हैं, तो लाइक आप कैसे मेंटेन करती हैं खुद को? लाइक यूजुअली शूट में इतना टाइम मिलता नहीं है खुद को मेंटेन करने का, सो आप कैसे टाइम देती हैं खुद को?
Luckily the kind of web shows I'm doing, and web shows में इतना commitment नहीं होता है. You don't have to give 25 days in a month. So that's one wonderful thing about this new medium that we have now. So I go to Kalari Paitu in the morning, early in the morning, 7 to 9 a.m. And Kalari Paitu is the South Indian martial art form that I do. So this is my last week, it's getting over now. And I do weight training too. So I work out. I find time to work out whenever I can. Else if I'm shooting, I just carry weights in my vanity van.
मार्शल आर्ट के अलावा आप और क्या क्या मतलब सीखा है आपने, आप सीख चुकी हैं या आप सीखना चाहेंगी?
Oh, I've always loved training in dance, and I'm learning dancing from quite some time. But that's something I want to acquire. That skill I want to acquire.
नुश हेयर के बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए. लाइक आपने जैसे कहा कि आपका कैरेक्टर में आपने अपने ही ब्रांड का ब्लू हेयर यूज़ किया.
मैं हर शो में अपनी निश हेयर एक्सटेंशंस पहनती हूँ जहाँ भी मुझे मिलता है. लाइक राइट नाउ ऑल्सो आई एम वेयरिंग वन. यू कांट टेल. You are wearing one, see, you really can't tell because it's real hair extension. So this is my brain baby. I started this company very, very recently, and I make 100% human hair extensions in that. Something for length, something for volume. So basically, I think whatever gives one whatever kind of confidence I want to provide them when it comes to hair. Hence, I've started this company. So I have colored strands also because I don't like to color my hair. So I put those colored strands. I don't like too long hair because I can't grow that much. You know that my hair, I cannot grow my hair that long, so I wear hair extensions for that.
So like audience के लिए कोई hair tips आप देना चाहेंगी? Like वो अपने hair की कैसे care कर सकते हैं? आप कैसे अपने बालों की care करती हैं?
Well, so hair extensions are a bit different. Hair extensions you wear when you have less volume in your hair, and if you want to add length to your hair. But for hair care, I think oil your hair once in a while. That's very important. And I think everything you have to heal internally than externally. So don't take too much stress if you want to glow and if you want to have good hair. If you don't want to lose your hair, do not take any stress in your life.
So like आजकल वेब सीरीज़ बहुत ट्रेंड में है. So आपको ऐसा लगता है कि टीवी like टेलीविज़न थोड़ा कम पड़ रहा है वेब सीरीज़ के सामने?
I think we have maximum audience watching TV still, and they will be watching it because there are so many small sectors. Their electricity अभी सिर्फ पहुँची है, so वहाँ पे TVs अभी आए हैं, and we are talking about rural India, and that's our maximum population, and अभी उनके पास TV अभी पहुँचे हैं, so I don't think TV is overpowering us from day one, and it will keep on overpowering us. So I think this web media is just for the people who have phones. Those who don't have phones or do not have internet, TV will never go out of fashion, I think.
Like your favorite web series, like the last one you have saw, or your favorite web series, any?
I genuinely really like Dear Meri Family by TVF because I'm a 90s kid. It was about 96 ka summer, and we all have lived in those times. We all have seen that. It was such a nostalgic show. It took me back in time.
So like आप बहुत ज़्यादा like fashionable हैं, so ऐसी कोई बॉलीवुड स्टार जिसे आप फॉलो करती हैं या आपको चाहिए कि आप उनसे कोई फैशन टिप्स ले पाएँ?
So I think everyone's following something or the other. I see what I like and what I'm comfortable in. Sometimes I'm not even comfortable in certain things. I want to go for it because I really like it. Because I feel if fashion was comfortable, everyone will be fashionable. But I do not follow anybody. I just see what I really like, what is in trend, and what I would like to wear. It's as simple as that.
So अगर मैं ये पूछूं कि favorite like fashionista from Bollywood, तो आप किसका नाम लेंगी?
They all are really good. Yeah, they all are doing their own thing. But I don't know, for some reason I like Kangana. She has her own streak. वो खुद का कुछ add करती हैं हमेशा. She just doesn't follow. Like I loved her at Cannes when she wore that black saree. Oof.
Like Big Boss में अगर आप Big Boss follow करती हैं तो like कौन आपका favorite contestant है और आपको क्या Big Boss के बारे में पसंद है?
Has just started, right?
Yeah.
The colors will change and सबके colors change होंगे. They will keep on changing. But who I find really interesting is I like that guy Deepak who keeps on singing. He's so good. He makes his own songs. He and his girlfriend or his friend, they are very, very interesting. They both seem very genuine, and yeah, Big Boss is trending right now.
So तनुश्री दत्त और नाना पाटेकर का भी थोड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है, तो अगर आपने उसके बारे में पढ़ा हो तो कुछ आप शेयर करना चाहेंगी?
To be honest, I really don't know the root cause of it or how it happened, what had happened, so I'm in no authority to say anything. But I feel अगर ऐसा कभी किसी किसी भी लड़की के साथ किसी भी वर्क प्लेस में ऐसा होता है वेर शी इज़ थ्रेटन टू बी थ्रोन आउट ऑफ हर जॉब फॉर जस्ट रेजिंग हर वॉइस फॉर what is wrong, I think then if our society isn't taking a charge or the workplace isn't taking a charge, we really need to buck up and realize that there's something wrong within us if we are not supporting a woman who is saying that there is something wrong and she's been harassed at her workplace.
ओके सो लाइक लास्टली फैंस के लिए एक मैसेज जो आपकी वेब सीरीज़ या आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं.
Okay, मैं सबसे सिर्फ यही कहना चाहती हूँ, प्लीज़ कीप ऑन लविंग मी द वे यू लव मी और शो योर लव, and I'm always overwhelmed with the response I get from you guys, so please keep on checking my work and keep on showing me love. I love you too.
सो ये थी मेरे साथ पारुल, जिन्होंने अपने वेब सीरीज़ के बारे में बहुत सारी इंटरेस्टिंग बातें हमें बताई. तो चलिए होगी आपसे बहुत जल्द मुलाकात. बाय.